Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Very nice outside right now, and been out a little bit enjoying the weather, but not congregating, of course. So I just wanted to try and pick this Abus 8345. It's the series key retaining, I guess you'd call that. That's what that little symbol there means. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But yeah, it's key retaining. If you put that little piece in there, right now I do not have it in there. So, and bear with me, guys. This is going to be my first on-camera pick. So it is what it is. It might take a little longer than expected. I'm going to try and gut it as well, too. So again, just hang in there with me. Oh, yeah, before I start, I just wanted to show you guys something else I just got in the mail the other day. This beautiful Asa Abloy mortise cylinder. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got some pretty good warding in there, but it's actually kind of open. I was surprised. There's a lot of warding, but it's not really blocking anything. So, nice tailpiece on there. And check this out. This is the crazy part right here. Check out that bitting. 7 pins. Sorry. Yeah, that's probably a little bit above my skill level, but I'm sure as heck gonna give it a shot. I've played with it a little bit, but not much. And speaking of keys, here's the keys to this Abus. Pretty good bidding on that as well. I'll put this up there so kind of gives a little bit more light. Yeah, there's the key with that bidding. Pretty wicked, pretty wicked. All right, I guess without further ado, oh, it is a 6-pin too. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but without further ado, let's give this a whirl and see what the hell happens. I'm using top of the keyway tensioning with my 50 thousandths bar. And don't laugh at my pick. I know. I did some little bit of repairs to it, and it's functional. It's not pretty, but it's functional. So, all right, here we go. So let's start right here in the front. Come on, man. Oh, here we go. Messing up already. A couple little clicks off one. Couple clicks off 2. 3 is good. Oh, touched 4 and got a little bit of rotation on the core there. 5 feels like it wants to counter rotate maybe a little bit. Yep, there we go. And a little movement on the core. Let's see what Mr. 6 guy is doing back here. A good little click out of him. Okay, let's go back to the front. Check it out. 1's good. 2's good. 3. A little counter rotation and a click off of him. Number 4, again, touched him and got some more rotation on that core. Sorry you can't see this very well, guys, and this is like how I am most comfortable picking, so just bear with me. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. Let's see, where were we? We just did 4. It feels like he wants to counter rotate a little bit more again. Maybe not. Let's leave him alone for a second. Okay, now here goes number 5. It's good. Yeah, 5 is good. Where are you, Mr. 6? He feels like he might be good too. Let's go back here to the beginning. One's good, two's good. Got a good little click off of 3, I think. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, some counter rotation and a good little click there. Let's go to number 4. I believe is where we're at. He feels pretty good. Oh, no, this is 5. Here we go. Good little click out of 5. Let's see Mr. 6, what he's doing. He feels like he's still set pretty good. Back to the beginning. 1's good, 2's good. 3's good. And we're open. There you go, guys. Wow, I can't believe that didn't take me longer. I'm kind of amazed. So, yeah, there it is. And again, here's the bidding on that guy. Pretty good, pretty wicked. It's a really fun little lock to pick. I have picked it in the past, I will admit that. I've kind of been practicing with it a little bit, actually. So, now, this is the part where you guys might have to bear with me just a little bit. Let's close that up for a second. Put the key in there, alright. Get our Phillips screwdriver here. I guess I don't need the key in there still, but we'll just leave them in there for a second. Come on, Mr. Man, get out of there. There we go. Oh, shit. Clear down there. Alright, recovered. Okay, and there is our core. Yeah, this is kind of a tricky little core to do. It's got that little notch on it. Take that out. And then let's see if I remember right here. Oh yeah. So we have to get that. No, let's leave the key in there, Chris. Leave the key in there, dummy. Okay, so let's push that guy in a little bit and turn him. There we go. We got him started. Okay, I'm going to turn him just a little bit more. And then I've come to learn that shimming is always a must. Oh, jeez, I almost forgot. I got to take off this little screw, or the clip, guys. Sorry, I'm going to try to hurry this along a little bit. Where is my hook? Yeah, I don't have the right tool for this yet either, but this usually works pretty good. There's that guy. Now let's get this guy back in here. Oh, come on. Oh, that's just the little tail piece there. That's kind of where that little Z bar sits in there. Okay, so we don't want to turn it much farther than that. Let shim go. This is always the fun part. Put that guy in there. Oh, yeah, I did get myself a little bit with that pry bar thingamajig. Okay, followers. Let's see, is that the one I want to use? I believe so. Okay, where's my pins at? Right there. And boom. Wow, this is going a lot better than I expected, guys. Pull that out of there. You can see kind of how much I had to set there on those guys. Hopefully you can kind of see that. So let's see what we got. I can't remember for sure. I think standard. Put this back in. What the heck? There's one. Standard. Come on, guy. I don't know why these things aren't wanting to come out right now. A little camera shy, I guess. There he comes. That's two. All standard. I think these are all standard. I think the magic is upstairs. There's 3, 4, 5, and 6. I love these big old beefy pins in this thing. That's what makes it fun to pick, I think, is all the nice clicks you get from these big old monsters right here. So then let's see what kind of magic we've got up top here. Okay, so starting with number 1. Where are you, number 1? Oh, shoot. Gotta get the shim out of there, knucklehead. There we go. Okay, so number 1. Nope. Phew, that was close. And the spring came along with him. It's kind of a serrated pin. I'll show you guys here in a second. There we go. Okay, number 2. Number 2, we have a pretty good spool. Number 3, another spool. I'm sure you guys already know it's probably all, the rest of them are all spools. Okay, now let's go from the other direction. Let's see, what are we at? 12 minutes. Alright, I'm trying to hurry up, guys. We're almost there. For another little spool. Surprise, surprise. Oh, excuse me, that was 6. Woo, almost got myself mixed up there. 5's the spool, and the one we've been looking for. Number 5. 3, 4. Excuse me. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The Abus 83AL45 Series Z bar. Get that guy out of there. Don't lose him, though. And that's what we got. How well you guys can see those, but there you go. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today, and hope everyone out there is doing good and staying healthy and not congregating and all that fun stuff. So, until next time guys, we will talk to you later. Remember, keep it legal. Thanks.